At least in density 1, you feel like an individual. By the time you get to density 2, you're aware of a tribe. You're a 12 tribe, Vato, soul family, which is you. Not something outside yourself. It's within you, within this hologram. Consciousness is just, sometimes limited to its bandwidth. Sometimes there's problems within its bandwidth, like blocks. Like actual blocks in your DNA, and now you can't perceive part of the hologram, or you're being blocked from freely leaving the density 1. You're being controlled, stuck in this cycle of reincarnation, which is not natural. It's not normal to be stuck in a hologram field like repeat, hits a bump, it's hitting a block, a barrier, so it has to start over, hits the barrier, start over, die, come alive. What? You're meant to, normally, go through life and ascend, go through the veil. Like, there's a literal, between each density universe, which is made of 3 dimensions, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, between each one is something called a repulsion zone. It's a magnetic repulsion zone. So consciousness has to go through stargates. The stargates are what change the vibration of consciousness, and now you vibrate to another dimension. But you cannot do this process of vibrating to another dimension without having the strand of DNA. So to have the 5th strand, to go to the 5th dimension means you have to have your 5th strand complete. This is how consciousness works. And because of the spiritual war, we've had some serious problems with the fallen angelics. You can call them dark avatars or extraterrestrial beings. These beings have done things to our DNA. And because of these distortions in our DNA, you can't just go to the 4th dimension. Naturally, you could just go, no problem. But now there is darkness, there's shadow that has taken over. Now you live in a cycle of wow, what's wrong? Something's wrong because there's a block. Now you can't go through the 4D. Hello. Okay, what can you do about it? Well, this is because of what you've done in the past. Now to ascend to 5D, you have to grow the DNA, grow your 5th strand. Normally it's slow, but now you have to quickly develop your 5th strand so you can get out of here. But you also have to learn how to slide, you have to develop your Merkaba, and these other mechanics, of course. This is a qualifying factor. One of the qualifying factors is you need 5 strand. That's your keys to the kingdoms, baby.